We are going to Costa Rica today.
Be nice at your summer camp, Lily. Sure I will, Dad. I will be a good kid in the summer scout camp. Don't worry, Mom and Dad.
Goodbye, Lily. See you soon.
Goodbye. See you soon. Wow, this forest is so beautiful. This camp is so big. There are so...
Attention, everybody. I'm the leader of the camp, and here are some rules we have to follow. Remember to stay together. Do not go alone. And stay out of the forest. It's really dangerous.
It's so boring. I want to explore the forest to see what is in there. No, we should listen to the leader. He just wants us to be safe, Mia. I just follow them for a minute. I will be back soon. Wait for me, little squirrels. Hey, Mia, come back. It's not safe there. Don't go in there alone. Oh no, she went into the forest. We have to tell the leader right now.
Hey, where are Mia and Lily? I don't see them around here.
Leader, Mia ran into the forest. Lily tried to stop her, but she couldn't. Lily, tell me the way she went. I will find her and take her back for you.
Lily told me she went that way. Let's move. We must find her quickly. Search in small groups. Team A, you find over there. The rest of you, follow me.
Mia, please answer me. Everyone is looking for you. Mia, where are you? Wait, what is that sound? I think I heard something coming from those bushes. Lily, help me. I'm over here. I'm so scared. Please get me out of here. I'm coming, Mia. Don't be scared. I'm here now. I'll find a way to get you out. Thank you for finding me. I'm very cold and scared. I'm so sorry I didn't listen. Stay calm. I will help you. Now, let's find the way back to the camp together. Oh no! A bear! That's why the leader told us not to go into the forest. It's going to pass us soon. Don't worry, it's gone. Follow my lead. We need to move fast before it gets darker. Ouch! My leg hurts. I cannot stand up, Lily. I can't walk anymore. Oh no, you cannot walk to the camp. Let me find a way to get help for you. I can run back to the camp and ask for help. You stay right here and I will be back. leave me alone. I'm scared of the dark. What if the bear comes back? Okay, I will be here with you. Don't be scared. We will get through this together. Aha! I found it! I will use this laser to let everyone know we are here. Please see us! We need help! I hope someone notices the light.
It must be Lily's laser. Let's go over there. Follow that light, team. Lily! Mia! I'm coming. Stay where you are. You are safe now.
So, the laser light works. Lily, you did really well to think of that.
Thank you for finding me, Lily. You could have left me alone to call for help, but you didn't. You are welcome, Mia. We are friends. I'm just glad you are okay.
She will be okay. Don't worry. You are a true scout hero, Lily.
I am so sorry for not listening to you and the leader. I caused so much trouble.
You are safe. That's the most important. And you learned that the forest is really dangerous. This is Lily. She is the true hero today. She saved her friend Mia. Good job, Lily. We are proud of you. You earned this brave badge.
A scout will never leave a friend, and a scout will always stay together. I did the right thing, and I'm really proud of myself. I want to tell my family. Look at me, Lily. I learned how to walk with crutches. It's hard, but I'll try. You cannot run in a short time, but you will be fine soon, Mia. Keep it up.
Good morning, everyone. This was a memorable camp with lessons of courage. Let's hope you will be the one who gains the most badges in the future, Lily.
Everyone, make sure you don't leave anything behind. This is the end of our camp.
Goodbye, summer camp. I will miss the time I'm here a lot. See you next year. Lily, will you come and play at my house sometimes? I want us to stay friends. I will. Goodbye, everyone. I had a lot of fun with you. See you next year. What a great and meaningful summer. I have really grown up. again, my hero friend. And then I used the laser light to point straight to the sky.
My daughter has truly grown and knows how to care for others. So proud.
A scout is always ready for every challenge ahead. My leg is almost completely healed. Come to my house next week, Lily. Always be ready and well prepared is a lesson I will never forget.
Brave girls like Lily are the future of the Scouting Association.
Don't hurry. Just follow me. You can do it. Lily is so good. I want to be a Brave Scout like her too. Look at me, Lily. I can run as fast as the wind now. It's great to see you fully recovered, my friend. Yeah. This will be a memory that I will never forget in my life. The stars are shining bright tonight. The fire keeps us warm and light. We sing.
Record your next journeys in here, Lily.
This summer is just the beginning of greater adventures.
This has truly been the most memorable holiday for our family.
Goodbye, Costa Rica. Goodbye, wonderful friends. I'm home now, carrying an extraordinary story with me.